Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday, October 27th. I'm back in the blind and just starting to get daylight. And it is a foggy morning. It's not raining, but there's so much condensation falling off the leaves, it sounds like it's raining. It is very foggy. The weather says that the fog should burn off around 9:30. I got my fingers crossed because I'm only hunting till 10 this morning because, well, I've got some other things we want to do here, and then we're going to be leaving here about 12, heading back home. So wish me luck. If I see anything, I'll turn you back on, but I will show you some footage of this pretty fog. I just love the foggy mornings. This may be a little too thick of a fog, though. All right, everybody, enjoy. Well, guys, that's it for this would actually be day 3 of my hunting. Been out 3 days so far. It's about 10 a.m., 10:10. I did not see anything today. The fog was really thick. It was supposed to burn off by 9:30, but that got extended to like 12. Finally did start seeing some squirrels about an hour ago. But I told the wife I'd only hunt till 10 this morning because we need to pack up. We want to walk toward the back of the property, move some cameras around, and then we're going to head on home. The kids still have a little bit of homework done to do tonight, so she wants to get home a little early. Well, guys, that's it. Sorry there wasn't a whole lot of action, but I got some foggy video I can show you. Till next time, y'all have a great day.